At the beach, under the sun, building castles, having fun, splashing waves, playing sand. Summer days are oh so grand. Summer fun, oh what a treat. Playing games and feeling the heat. At the beach with friends so dear. Summer fun is always here.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our summer beach fun day. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! Don't forget your sun hats and shades. Sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. Sand. Isn't playing in the sand so much fun? Next, let's build some sandcastles. Sandcastle. Wet sand is perfect for building sandcastles. Now, shall we spell sandcastle? S-A-N-D-C-A-S-T-L-E. Sandcastle. Look at these amazing sandcastles. How tall can you build yours? Let's play a game. Look at the words the kids are holding. Can you point to the kid who is holding the word sand? That's right. The word sand is being held by this kid. Great job! Now, can you point to the kid who is holding the word sandcastle? Awesome! The word sandcastle is being held by this kid. Well done! You did an amazing job recognizing the words. Let's move on to our next fun activity. Now, let's splash in the waves. Waves. W A V E S. Waves. Waves. Look at how much fun they're having in the waves. Let's take a break and enjoy our fun summer song.
At the beach, under the sun, building castles, having fun, splashing waves, playing sand. Summer days are oh so grand. Summer fun, oh what a treat. Playing games and feeling the heat. At the beach with friends so dear. Summer fun is always here. Shells to find, kites to fly, ice cream treats, give them a try. Sun hats on, shades on too. Beach day fun for me and you. Summer fun, oh what a treat. Playing games
Now, let's go on a little adventure to find some shells. Shells. S H E L L S. Shells. Shells. Look at all the beautiful shells we've found. It's time for a game. Look at these shells. Each one has a different word on it. Can you point the shell with the word shells? Awesome! You found the shell with the word shells. Well done! Look at these bubbles floating under the sea. Each bubble has a different word inside. Can you find the bubble with the word waves? That's right! This bubble has the word waves. Great job! Good job, kids! Let's continue our beach adventure and have even more fun! Look, the kids are flying kites on the beach. Kite. K I T E. Kite. Flying kites is so much fun. Watch them soar high in the sky. A beach day isn't complete without ice cream. It's the best way to cool down after all that playing. Ice cream. I C E C R E A M. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream is a tasty treat on a hot day. Let's play a high-flying game. Look at these kites flying in the sky. Each one has a different word on it. Can you pull down the one which has the word kite? That's the word kite. Good job, kids! Now, let's play a delicious game. Look at these popsicles. Each one has a different word on it. Can you find the one with the word ice cream? That's right. This popsicle says ice cream. Great job! Now, let's see what's next. It's getting hot. Let's sit under a beach umbrella. Umbrella gives us shade and keeps us cool. Umbrella. U M B R E L L A. Umbrella. When the sun gets too hot, we can sit under a beach umbrella. It's time for a game. Let's help our friend the cat land safely with his umbrella. Look, there are 2 bouncy clouds below. Can you help him land on the cloud with the correct word, umbrella? Hooray! The cat landed safely on the cloud with the correct word. Good job, kids! What an amazing time we've had at the beach today! Make sure to subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye!